Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. I want to support statement on the issue of tea. Mr. Speaker, it would interest the House that this unfairness continue to bedevil all of us. Mr. Speaker, as I talk today, 4 months down the line, money to KCC farmers are yet to be paid. Yet they have supplied milk. Mr. Speaker, there is crisis in agriculture sector. Mr. Speaker, for example, even on tea issue, Mr. Speaker, I want to confirm to colleagues, there are people who are saying that there is different quality of West Rift and East Rift in terms of tea from Mount Kenya region and West Rift. That is Bungoma, Nandi, Kericho, Bomet, Kisii, Nyamira. There is no difference, Mr. Speaker. We don't know when it comes to bonus and tea prices. Mr. Speaker, for example, like Kinoro, in Mount Kenya, they are getting 48 shillings and 10 cents. In Mudete, Vihiga County, they are getting 10 shillings. In Chebut, they are getting 12 shillings. In Kapsara, they are getting 10 shillings. In Nyasiongo, they are getting 12 shillings. In Momul, they are getting 24 shillings. In Tegat, they are getting 14 shillings. But all in Mount Kenya, from Kihoro to Michikuru, the lowest is 26 shillings and 50 cents. Mr. Speaker, this is a great travesty justice against the farmers in this country. Mr. Speaker, if this matter is not addressed by Kenya Development Tea Authority, KTDA, we are going to approve tea. Then we see where lawyers will go in this country. Yet they like taking a lot of tea, Mr. Speaker. And many people who are depending on tea, Mr. Speaker. We are going to approve because, Mr. Speaker, I want to thank Senator Ezi. We are suffering, Mr. Speaker. In fact, if you want to die in this country, be a farmer. If milk, we are yet to be paid. Tea, our bonuses have gone to the dogs, Mr. Speaker. Sugarcane is wobbling, Mr. Speaker. We are left to the masses of the maker, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this issue of tea, and I want to call upon KTDA, because they are the management company, and directors, that we have elected them that they must sign a performance contract in terms of bonus. Mr. Speaker, can you believe you are being paid 12 shillings in Chebuti factory in Kapsabet, but you are paying the plaka or muchunaji wa chai 13 shillings? Yani you have to add 1 shilling for that you are being paid, Mr. Speaker. Is this not death, Mr. Speaker? We must be told what is happening, and I want to tell CS Mutai Kagwe that you are now starting to treat us abnormally, and things will start becoming abnormal, Mr. Speaker. We must be told what is happening. There cannot be issue of quality. We went, and I want to agree that they are still using tongue to taste. Mr. Speaker, I wish I could be added 30 seconds to finish. There is no...
Give the Senator 1 minute to conclude.
Mr. Speaker, I might end up breaking down and crying because my people are suffering, Mr. Speaker. Let no one tell you that they are using tongue to taste tea. The difference between tea from Mount Kenya region and West region, there is no difference. There is no difference, Mr. Speaker. What happens in Mombasa is when the prices are good, they sell from central Mount Kenya region. But when the prices are poor, they come out with West Rift. And that is why they are telling us about foreign exchange and in terms of international pricing. There are cartels, Mr. Speaker, in Mombasa. And I'm telling Mutai Kagwe to work on this issue and call me so that I can give the names of the cartels. I yield, Mr. Speaker, with a heavy heart.
Senator Omtata.
Mr. Speaker, first of all, on the question of sports, I want to support the statement by Senator Cherargei, because I think sports is no longer just entertainment. Sports is an industry